What's up everyone, I'm here with my friend Carl today, and we're going to be doing his interior trim. We're going to be doing it this blue color here. So just going to walk you through it a little bit better than the video I did last time. Basically, whenever you're looking at it, you'll see that there's a flat spot and then a curved angle. The curved angle is kind of what we've been putting on the inside, and it's seemed to work out better. So Carl is just going to start right here at the end, and all you do is just push it around. Whenever we get it back around to this side, I'll show you where we're at. And whenever you get to the end, you want to figure out where it's going to line up correctly. Now just get a dry erase marker and put a little mark, and then cut it with some scissors, then fit it right back into here. If you accidentally cut it a little bit short, this has a little bit of flex to it where you can pull it and stretch it. So if it's a little short, just pull a little bit of it out, pull it with a little bit of tension, and then push it back around to right there and fit it in. So here's what the door piece trim looks like right now. It turned out pretty cool here. You can see you just bring it around and match it right up there at the top. So overall, I think it definitely makes the side part pop out a little bit more. Carl's going to be working on the other side now, and then we're going to be doing some more of the interior. Now with the interior, I'm just going to start here in the corner. You slowly just kind of push it around in here. There we go. Now we'll cut it here, push it in a little bit better, get it all seated nice. And you got a blue strip there above your carbon fiber trim.
Overall, love the look. It's not overbearing like a sticker or decal. This is actually a very nice accenting piece that goes in here. Love it. So now we're just over to the driver's side, the little small dash trim piece, just to touch it up and give it a nice even flow across the car.
So we got the back part done here now. I'm going to be doing the other side, and then we're going to be doing a little trim piece where the brake lever's at, as well as the dome cover for your lights. Alright, now with this, I was just going to do this part of the shifter boot. Basically start here right at the edge, and this stuff is actually really easy to work with. You just push it down, and you get to the end here, mark it, and cut it. You can see here just a little pinstripe adds a little bit of a color to your interior area right here. Now the last thing we're going to do is right around the dome light. Since this piece does meet, I put it at the back where you can't see. You basically just follow it all the way around your light. So here's a final look at everything. We did it around the shift boot, as well as just the top layer of the trim here, a little bit above the radio to give kind of a distinction between this area and this kind of matte black color, as well as around the dome lighting. I think this stuff's pretty cheap. I'll include a link for Amazon where I purchased it from. It's really easy to install like you just saw. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy driving and enjoy.